Good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of social science. Today we will talk about resource planning in India. Children, resource planning is one of the important process where resources are arranged in such a way so that it can have maximum utilizations. For resource planning, we need to pay attention on certain factors. Number one, the first and the most important task of resource planning is to identify and to maintain inventory of resource. For that, we have to make survey, mapping. Even we have to estimate the quality and quantity of the resource. Second, we have to develop a structure. Even we have to develop technology, skill. We have to set up institutions for implementations of the resource. Third one, matching the resource development plan with the overall national plan. So these three basic factors need to be taken into considerations while planning resource. Now the question arises, why resource planning? So number one, resources are not available in every region. Even if it is available, the regions may not have the required or appropriate technology through which it can be extracted. There are many regions in our country that are rich in resource, but these are included in economically backward region. On the contrary, there are some regions which have poor resource base, but they are economically developed. On the other hand, one more factor why just availability of resources is not sufficient for development of a region. We know colonialism, where we have seen people from one part of the country or one part of the world, they came to another part of the world and they made better utilization of resource. You might have read in history colonialism or colonial rule, where European people came in Asiatic regions where there are a huge quantity of resource, but people were not developed. They don't have technology. But they, on the other hand, in European countries, they do not have much resource, but they have developed technology. So they came in this region and with the help of their technology, they extracted the resource and developed themselves. India has experienced all these in different phases of colonizations. Therefore, in India, development in general and resource development in particular does not only involve the availability of resource, but also the technology, quality of human resource, and the history experience. Next, conservation of resource. It is also one of the important factor. If we don't conserve the resource, it will end very soon. The irrational consumptions and overall utilizations of resource have led to in many regions, socio-economic and environmental problems. To overcome this socio-economic and environmental problem, resource planning at various stages is very important. This has been the main concern of many leaders and thinkers. For example, once Gandhiji said that there is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed. He placed the greedy and selfish individuals and exploitative nature of modern technology as a root cause for resource depletion at the global level. He was against the mass productions and wanted to replace it with the production by the masses.